Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the app installed, permissions granted, and an account created. Open Focus and immediately set a default session length and break interval so the app can enforce a rhythm. Once done, connect your calendar to import events. This saves you manual entry and prevents conflicts. Make sure to enable notification controls. That ensures only essential alerts get through. Finally, create a test session now to verify timers, sounds, and do not disturb behavior before you rely on it for deep work. You now configure the app's powerful middle features. Create named session types, deep work versus shallow, so you can launch templates with one tap and set specific lengths and focus rules. Next, integrate your task manager and enable the website blocker. That combination routes tasks into focus and prevents distracting sites during sessions. Once integrated, set up recurring schedules and automated start/stop rules to make focus effortless. If you use focus music or ambient modes, tweak volume and playlists now so you finish by running a complete workflow and reviewing outcomes. Start a real session, work through tasks, and record or mark items done, then end the session and inspect your focus stats to see patterns. Use that data to tweak session lengths and blocking rules iteratively for sustained improvement. If something breaks, check permissions first and reauthorize integrations, then test a session with network off to isolate sync problems. One key tip: clearing the app cache often fixes sticky blocker or notification glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.